Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Of course, I have a secret stock I want to reveal to you guys. I've been following this for quite some time. I'm going to reveal. So stick around to the end, guys. Listen to everything. This could be an opportunity. This is not financial advice, but I would let you guys know how I would enter this market if I haven't done that already. I'm in the market, but I'm going to explain that. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. Leave an appropriate thumb so that I can, a comment so that I can welcome you into the charts here personally. Thank you for joining us. I mean, this really supports us, guys. The YouTube algorithm promotes the channel and the videos. Thank every single one of you guys. Let's go ahead and not waste time. Let's dive right into this secret stock that I'm going to reveal to you guys here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 6th, 2020, and the secret stock is going to be, you probably see it in it somewhere, RESN, RESONANT Incorporated. I can't even pronounce it, but we're in the market. It's up, there's $3.61. It's down about 2.9% for the day, okay? And again, guys, I apologize for not revealing this to you guys, but again, it's a down day, so you might be in luck. So let me just go over through this so that we can post this before the markets close there, okay? So here's what I've been following. That's it, okay? Let me just zoom out so you can see it a little bit better. I mean, this is actually a pretty bullish pattern. It is a falling wedge pattern. It's a very big falling wedge pattern, I must ask. And it's just kind of bouncing up and down in this range. And right now it is trying to break above that resistance line. So of course, you know what this is going to be considered. For those of you who follow us very closely, you know that the price action within the pattern is going to be considered the consolidation. Okay, so all this price action is just a build up, an accumulation of just kind of like that breakthrough, right? So we're up against 2,407 days of consolidating, guys. I'm telling you. You might want to stick around to the end. Don't skip anything, okay? This might be an opportunity. So listen to the levels. Take notes. Get something to write with, okay? And I'm going to reveal my overhead targets, okay? Many may not believe it. This is, again, not financial advice, okay? But just take a sneak peek in on here, guys. This is the weekly candle. We still got about 2 days to close, so I'm not going to get ahead of myself and, get extremely bullish on this just yet. I'm already in the market, right? We have contracts, but I'm actually thinking of just adding to the pot just to kind of really make this a juicy move to the upside. I should have said juicy. So that's what I'm looking at. Over the next 3 days, or 2 days and 3 hours, we're going to know whether or not we're going to be closing above this resistance line. It's been a really nasty line for this stock. If you can see that, we kind of back out here. December 2017 had a really nice run up all the way up to $7.81. Trapped a lot of those bulls and just kind of dumped it on them, so to speak. But I truly think that it's getting really close where this line has to, bow down to the bulls. And you see this extreme move back here. 2015 in January, it went from a price of $12 all the way up to $16, and of course trapped those bulls up there and just dumped it on them, so to speak. So this is we're at a really interesting point here in the markets. And excuse me, am I seeing a gap? No, the gap has been filled there. I was looking right here at this gap between, let's see, what is that, $4.60 up to $7.33 here, guys. Nothing's ever rehearsed, guys. Stick with me. Expect unprofessionalism and inaccuracies. I respect your time. Let's go ahead and close it out here. So the level here's how I would enter the market if I wasn't already positioned here. So I think this is I wouldn't say low risk, because you're probably going to have to risk about, because I don't want to get myself stopped out if I wasn't in this market. I would have to risk about 12% to the downside from the current level. So like from the current level, I think it's like $3.59. I would have to risk like 12% in order to kind of, make sure that I'm in the market and I don't get wicked out, so to speak. So there's no real practical way to enter this, guys. I'm sorry. And I know people are going to ask, like, where should I enter? How much should I risk? But we were entering down here at like $2, like $2.50. And I almost got shaken out of the market between this move right here. Really almost, I was like, look, man, this is not fair. Like, what are you guys going to do? I thought this thing was going to pump. And then, of course, boom, my patience paid off. So like near the $2.19, I've actually, one of the accounts, we bought some stock. This is irrelevant information. Guys, if you want to enter this market, risk about 10%. This is what I would do. I'd risk about 10% from the current level, 360. That translates to about $3.15. That would be my stop out. And I would not just hit that buy button. I'd start with the 10% position here and just let this play out for the next, 48 hours. And then, of course, add another position if it's still kind of holding above this red line here, which is currently at about $3.27. If we get like a nasty move to the downside, then I would definitely add another 10% there. And over the next 48 hours, I'd enter at least 30%, and down to the very last minute before the close within 48 hours, I'll probably get risky and just hit that 40% in there. I'll be invested total 70% out of $1,000. You do the math. And then, of course, set my stop just below wherever I enter, just 12% below that level, and see where she goes, So that's how I would enter that, guys. And hopefully you caught all that. And for the critics, rewind it back. You can hear what I said, okay? Those are my levels, all right? I'm going to cut out here, guys. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. We're going to talk very soon, guys. We also go over the alternative markets if you guys are into that, Bitcoin, altcoins. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think we covered everything. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.